Today I'm going to show you how to get your vacuum back working again. My vacuum stopped picking up dirt and things off the floor. There's trash on the floor that it was supposed to pick up. It did not pick up. So what I did is I took this tube on the vacuum. I took it apart, took it outside, ran water through it, and it was a lot of clot and lint and dirt that was stuck inside of it. And then it still wasn't picking up. So then I took this part off. It came off from here, which connects to this like that. And then this tube connects here. So I took it off and found that this tube was clogged up really, really bad. So I took it outside and ran water through it. And this is where the hole is at in there, if you can see it, right there where it sucks up. And the tube runs through here. So I'm going to show you how I ran the water through it and got it cleared out. Okay, so you want to take it outside. It's going to get a little messy. And what you want to do is take you some warm water. I didn't put anything in it. No soap, no bleach, just warm water. You want to pour it through there and you'll be able to see the water come down. I've already cleaned it out. At first it was not coming out. This is the water coming out, and you can see it's running out from the tube. It was not coming out. This is the residue and the clot and the dirt that came out from it. As you can see, it was a lot. And so now the water is able to run through freely. It was not doing this at first. It was filling up. The water was filling up at the top. And that's how I could tell that it was clogged. But now it's running freely and it's clear. So now we're gonna put it back together and we're gonna go back in and vacuum and we're gonna see if that fixed the problem. So now I'm putting the piece back together on the vacuum. Screwing in the nail. Easy peasy, okay? Put your tube back. Make sure it's on there really tight. Okay, now we're gonna vacuum and see if we pick up those pieces. All those pieces on the floor. It did it much better. But that's the end of this video. Hope this helps you. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.